Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways. Bullish Dogecoin, Doge, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.319397 and $0.695575 by 2030. Market investigators accept Doge could reach $0.319397 by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.056782. Dogecoin, Doge Introduction. Programming engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer concocted the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge D, as a joke because of the then wild digital currency hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. Notwithstanding being wry, certain individuals view it as a feasible monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin symbol and namesake. Following its end-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its web-based local area and, by May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It presently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the Premier League. Kindly note that the forecasts recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as venture counsel. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin speculations. All in all, we should plunge into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin, Doge? Distributed, open-source digital money. Dogecoin, Doge, works over the web. It is viewed as an elective cash and an unexpected image coin. A representation of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. Despite the fact that it was at first considered as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in notoriety. At the point when the cryptographic money bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. 1. A center of allies actually exchange Dogecoin and use it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost quite a bit of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On web-based trades for computerized monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Likewise, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the all-out number of coins that might be given, digital currencies like Bitcoin are deflationary, yet Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into flow as mining rewards is split at regular intervals, and until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. Dogecoin D technical analysis. By and large, the pattern for Dogecoin stays in a downtrend, yet momentary energy moves consistently vertically, MACD, RSI. And the cost for the coin recuperates rapidly when it goes descending. Price. The cost dropped in a channel down pattern for quite a while. At the point when the cost swings inside the channel trend lines, brokers who accept the cost is probably going to remain inside the channel can put exchanges. At the point when an example is finished, i.e., a breakout, place an exchange when the cost crosses the upper or lower pattern lines of the channel. At the point when this happens, the cost might flood in the breakout's course. Trend. All time periods are on a descending pattern for this coin for quite a long time, short, medium and long term. The MACD line. When the coin is over the MACD signal line, bullish, the RSI stays under 50 and energy is mixed, neutral. The volume on up days is greater than the volume on down days, as shown by the rising OBV. On balance volume pointer. Therefore, request purchasers, offset supply, merchants. Dogecoin D, fundamental analysis. It's memorable's basic that not at all like in that frame of mind of the securities exchange, most digital forms of money are projects as opposed to partnerships. Thusly, you can assess regardless of whether digital money is worth the effort by leading a suitable key examination and taking into account all the data accessible about the venture. Basic investigation is worried about deciding a resource's inborn worth. For instance, you can decide whether a cryptographic money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different interior and outside components. For Dogecoin, there are various incentives. The way that it is uncovered makes the incentive increment. The benefits of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining biological system. There is currently no rush toward an affirmed hard cap. This settles the organization's possibilities for what's in store. Thus, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing environment development. Despite the fact that its commencement was set apart by specialists and content makers tipping each other, it has developed into a completely practical money that can be utilized for ordinary uses. To keep up with the usefulness of the environment, more Dogecoin can undoubtedly be gained. Dogecoin utilization is anticipated to extend by over 5% yearly, which will expand the cash's worth. Dogecoin, Doge, Price Prediction 2022. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. Doge. The Doge cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.106466. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.099368 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of $0.085172. Dogecoin, Doge, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Dogecoin Doge cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform $0.177443. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Doge's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.141954 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.156149. Dogecoin, Doge, Price Prediction 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.248420 and Doge might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.227126 and a low of $0.212931 in 2024. Dogecoin, Doge, Price Prediction 2025. In the event that Dogecoin effectively helps